welcome to Bikini Design Club. Today I wanted to show you this beautiful swimsuit with a twist front. This was actually my first attempt and I'm showing it today because I really love the red with the pink. But the final pattern that you can buy on our online store, it actually has a little more, it's a little bit more bulkier here in the middle because I added some fabric on the pattern draft, so it will be the twist here, it will be a little bit more fluffy. But I can show you another model. I will take some pictures and I will also attach it on this video. It has a center back seam, mid-waist. On the hip I sewed with a cover stitch, but here I sewed as a reversible, but then I did an understitch so that this stays in place. So I used an understitch here in the front and the same fabric for the outside and for the inside. And as you can see, the neckline is very nice. And then you have a side dart. And I'm not going to show you the back because this one was a test and it's not it's not perfect. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you soon.